Hello and welcome to Pretty Little Clothes. I'm Viv and today I'm gonna do some tartan design. I'm going to start and clean the nail with some gel residue wipe-off solution. And for this design, I'm going to apply the concrete kiss on each nail. So apply near to the cuticle area, but without touching them. And we pull the product down. Don't forget to cut the free edge. And cure 30 seconds. I'm going to apply my second coat. And cure for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to use Snow White and put some few drops on my palette. And I'm gonna work with a detailing brush, the 03. And now I'm going to do the lines. When you have some very long line to do it with this kind of brush, because the long hair will help you to have a really nice stripe. And cure for 10 seconds. So now I'm going to do the same on this one. Roll the brush into the product and move the finger. And cure for 10 seconds. So now we're going to make those lines thicker. With a clean dry brush, I'm going to remove the mistake that I made and flash cure. And flash cure. Now I'm going to use Serious Black and I'm going to use the 002 detailing brush. I'm going to draw a square shape in each cross section. and cure for 10 seconds. Now I'm going to use Wolfsbane to add some details on this tartan. So I'm using the 002 brush and I'm going to do some stitch. And flash cure for 10 seconds. I'm going to do the stitches on the pinky and flash cure for 10 seconds. And flash cure. Now I'm going to do more stitches with the color Wolfsbane. And flash cure for 10 seconds. And I'm gonna add some tiny stitches with the white color, with Snow White. And cure for 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna seal the design with some Urban Graffiti top coat. And cure for a whole minute. Now I'm going to apply some cuticle oil, and this is the tea tree flavor, and I'm going to massage the finger. Here is the finished design. I hope you like it. All the products used in this video are in the description box down below. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment, and until next time, au revoir!